Abhisarika Nayika is going against all odds. The path that she chooses is something that was designed to meet him in secrecy. Obviously, it's not going to be clear. There are going to be obstacles, and every time there is an obstacle that she crosses over, she feels triumphed. So the first segment here is, once her shawl has got entangled to a bush or a rock, we never know, or a corner of something, the body moves back. The core stretches. That's there. Pull, look back. The minute she looks back, she spots a snake. Now here, spotting of the snake is like, in sheer fear, you inhale and you hold your breath. That's what you need to do. The minute you see a snake, the shoulders go up and the body contracts in a concave way. You see the snake, show the snake, and then the eye has to go parallel to the hood of the cobra. There, just like the snake looks, silent. Then you see, follow it, it's going away. And a sigh of relief is when you move back, suddenly you feel, oh my God, what is behind you? There are some huge trees that are swaying and probably making shapes which scare you. You show the swaying, the shifting of the body weight from your left to the right, there and there, making eights that are horizontal, that movement. Back to the audience, this is how you show the trees. After showing the trees, you suddenly see the clouds diagonally. Now the clouds are heavy with rain. So they're not going to be right up there fluttering around. They're going to be heavy. So start from the base and make those curls of the cloud as though you have a canvas and you're drawing something on it. Similarly, with the use of mudras, take it down, curve, 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 show the cloud and the fear, then you show the lightning. And tirkathai. Use a kartari mukha here and diagonally across, tirkathai. Go down. Then that also scares you. You then almost reach the river.